Okay, what we have here is a very rare part. It is a dual row flange. You can see how shallow it is here on the face. It's a dual row flange that's been machined here to allow for use in a single row bearing car. This came out of an 03996 that has a Virgin engine. When we first noticed the flange, we thought that because of this, it was a dual row bearing, which would be very, very odd because a single row flange should look like this. You can see the depth difference. But pay attention that when put side by side, they had the same installed height here. Because this one has been machined all the way down to allow it to fit. So it looks like at the factory they ran out of single row shafts, or excuse me, single row flanges, and they had to convert a dual row flange into a single row. So yet again, this would appear to be a dual row bearing flange. However, it was factory machined for use with a single row car.